Hello. My name is Tatiana. I'm from Pattaya, but I'm ready to move to any city. I hold a bachelor's degree in education, specializing in speech correction. Additionally, I have a degree in psychology. During my studies, I completed an internship in a Montessori kindergarten, where I gained valuable experience. Furthermore, I have 6 years of hands-on experience working with 27 children, ranging from ages 3 to 7, to enhance their English language skills. Moreover, I have extensive experience teaching online, having successfully guided over 200 students. I create engaging teaching content using modern animation tools that captivate children's interest. I would be absolutely thrilled to contribute my knowledge and skills to your organization and make a positive impact on the education of children.